Hello traders, welcome to my channel AM Trading Tips. I'm excited to share powerful trading tools and strategies to help you improve your trading skills. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to share an easy yet powerful scalping strategy that uses just two TradingView indicators, the Arun Crossovers indicator and the stop loss indicator. This method is simple, profitable, and perfect, whether you're just starting out or already experienced. Before we begin, please note, trading binary options involves financial risk, and past results don't guarantee future performance. This video is made for educational purposes and is not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Ready to set up our strategy? Let's jump right in. First, open your TradingView platform. Click on the Indicators tab at the top. In the search bar, type Stop Loss and select the first indicator that appears. Once added, open the indicator settings and hide the ATR options. We only want the stop loss lines for this strategy. Next, we'll add our second indicator. Go back to the Indicators tab and search for Arun with Crossovers. Select the highlighted option, Arun with Crossovers. Now, click on Settings and change the length from 14 to 75. And there you have it. Our setup is ready. Quick reminder, if you find value in my content, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and turn on all notifications. That way, you won't miss any of my powerful strategies and useful trading tools. Now let's learn exactly how to trade using this strategy. For taking a sell trade, follow these simple rules. Wait until the Arun indicator shows a red crossover line. This indicates a potential sell signal. Confirm this signal by ensuring there's a bearish candle on your chart. When both conditions match, you enter a short position. Your stop loss should be placed exactly at the higher line provided by the stop loss indicator. Keep your risk-to-reward ratio at 1:1. Now let's see how we enter a buy trade. Wait for the Arun indicator to show a green crossover line. This signals a possible buy. Confirm this signal with a clear bullish candle forming. When both conditions align, open a long position. Place your stop loss exactly at the lower line provided by the stop loss indicator. Again, your risk-to-reward ratio will be 1:1. If you didn't fully grasp everything yet, no worries. Let's dive into some more examples of buy and sell trades setup so that you will definitely understand. If you have any question related to this strategy, then you can ask in the comments section. We will try our best to answer all your questions. Excited to try out this amazing strategy yourself? Great! I've provided the joining link of TradingView platform in the description below. But wait, here's my best tip. Always practice first on a demo account. It's the safest way to master this indicator and build your confidence before you risk your own money. All right, traders, let's jump straight into some more trade examples so you can clearly see how effective this scalping strategy can be. We've got our signal clearly now. The Arun crossover indicator has shown us a red sell line, and we also got a solid bearish candle for confirmation. All our conditions are met perfectly, so let's go ahead and place a sell order right here. Our stop loss will be safely placed at the higher line shown by the stop loss indicator, maintaining a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:1. Now let's patiently wait and see how this trade goes. As we can see, our trade is currently running nicely in profit. Remember, once your trade is open, stay calm and avoid unnecessary panic. Trust your indicators and stick to your rules. And there we have it. Our trade has successfully hit the take profit level. You just witnessed how simple and effective this strategy can be. Now let's keep this momentum going. Let's move forward and find another trade setup together. If you have any questions or confusion about how to use these indicators or this strategy, please feel free to ask in the comments. I'm always here to help you become a better trader. Now we have another great signal appearing. The Arun crossover indicator is showing a clear green buy line. Let's confirm it with a strong bullish candle formation. Yes, conditions look great, so let's place a buy order here. Again, our stop loss goes at the lower line given by the stop loss indicator, and we set our risk-to-reward ratio to 1:1. Let's see how this trade performs. The trade is going smoothly. This shows that patience, discipline, and following our rules pays off. And we did it again. Our take profit target was successfully hit. As you can see, this simple setup makes scalping clear and effective. Now, let's keep this momentum going. Let's move forward and find another trade setup together. Remember, if you want to try this strategy yourself, always practice first on a demo account before risking your real money. The joining link for TradingView is in the video description below, so make sure you check it out. All right, traders, we've got another clear signal here. The Arun crossover indicator just gave us a nice red line sell signal, and we've also confirmed it with a strong bearish candle. All our rules have lined up perfectly, so let's confidently place our sell order now. We'll set our stop loss at the higher line provided by the stop loss indicator, and as always, keep our risk-to-reward ratio at 1:1. Now let's calmly watch how this trade unfolds. Unfortunately, we lost this trade, but that's perfectly okay. Losses are part of trading, and they teach us valuable lessons. Remember, no strategy in the world can guarantee a 100% win rate. Always keep a positive mindset and stick to your strategy. Over the long run, discipline and patience will help you become a successful trader. All right, traders, let's put this loss behind us and confidently move forward. Let's carefully watch the indicators again and find our next trade setup. We've got another clear trading opportunity. The Arun crossover indicator has just given us a clear red line sell signal, and we've confirmed it nicely with a strong bearish candle. All the conditions for our strategy are met perfectly, so we're confidently placing a sell order right now. We'll place our stop loss at the higher line shown by the stop loss indicator. Maintaining our usual safe one is to 1 risk-to-reward ratio. Now let's patiently wait and see how this trade unfolds. Our trade is moving now. And look at this, traders. Our trade just closed successfully in profit. Another win, clearly showing the reliability of this scalping strategy. Let's not stop here. Let's continue looking for the next great trade opportunity using this simple, powerful strategy. Our trade is now active. We have a clear green buy signal from the Arun crossover indicator, and we confirmed it with a strong bullish candle. Everything looks perfect for this trade. We've set our stop loss at the lower line provided by the stop loss indicator, and our risk-to-reward ratio is 1:1, just like always. Now, let's patiently watch how this trade plays out. The market is moving, and our trade is currently running. One of the most important things in trading is sticking to the plan. Once you enter a trade, avoid making emotional decisions. Trust your strategy and let it work for you. And there it is. Our take profit level has been hit, and we've successfully won this trade. This is why following a clear strategy with proper risk management is so important. Another profitable trade using just 2 simple indicators. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, here's how you can support the channel and stay updated with more powerful trading strategies. Like this video, it really helps the channel grow and reach more traders. Subscribe to AM Trading Tip for more free trading tools and powerful strategies. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss my latest updates. Share this video with fellow traders so they can learn and improve too. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this trading strategy? Drop a comment below and let me know your feedback or any questions you have. I always enjoy reading your messages and helping you out. Your support truly means the world to me, and I appreciate each and every one of you for being part of this journey. That's all for today, traders, but stay tuned because more exciting videos are coming soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading. See you in the next video.